What have you become because of your daughter?
Siguro before we were like, chasing dreams, right? Before Katie. And when Katie came, we realized why we were chasing our dreams. And it was to chase it was purpose, right? And siguro, one thing I realized about myself was I became softer, I became more patient. And not only did I become a dad, I became a better human being.
She answered the why. Ikaw, Katrina, naging ano ka dahil sa anak mo?
Humaba yung pasensya ko. Di ba? Mas,
Most mothers.
yes
Oo,
po.
no?
Tapos, mas grateful sa mga small things. Mas na-appreciate mo yung mga small things. Mas naging matibay para sa anak ko. Tsaka mas nagkaroon ng purpose sa buhay po.
Paano niyo siya inaalagaan?
With love, Tito
Yes,
Boy.
love po.
No, but more specific examples of how you take care of your daughter who is in the autism spectrum. How challenging is that if it is?
By supporting her po. Tapos, i-guide po siya sa mga everyday.
Makipanahon. You really have to
Magbigay po
spend time.
talaga, oras
Oo.
po talaga. Kailangan magbigay ng oras. Kasi may mga times na maiinis ka, pero dapat mong isipin na iba din kasi sila.
Yeah.
So dapat hindi siya pareho natin.
Yeah.
Minsan may mga nagagawa siya na parang akala natin sobra na, so dapat palawakin natin yung isip natin, intindihin natin sila.
No, that also answered my question. Yung, halimbawa, as a parent, meron akong anak who is in the spectrum. Ano ba ang mga dapat kong katakutan? Dapat ba ako matakot?
For me, Tito Boy,
Ah,
hindi mawawala yung takot.
Yeah.
Nandyan. Lalo na sa umpisa, hindi natin alam kung ano gagawin natin. Pero, just be there. Support. Tsaka yun nga, i-guide lang natin sila and kilalanin din natin at alamin din natin kung ano din yung mga ginagawa din nila. Alam niyo yun, para hindi din tayo ma-confuse.
And that needs attention. Tama ka.
Yes.
Chris?
Yeah, as a human, of course, you'll be, there may takot talaga. But you have to show up, and
Again.
when
yeah.
love is what drives you, all the answers will come.
Anong klaseng bata si Katie? Ilang taon na? She's about
13.
13. Wow.
Sobrang sweet.
Sweet, malambing.
Sobrang lambing, sobrang bait.
And she loves to perform.
Yes.
That takes guts to do that at 13 years old.
Apo.
Look at the stage mom.
Sobrang sweet po.
Komedyante.
Hindi ko kaya yung, kunyari galit, kaya niyang mawala yung galit niya. Ako, kaya katang tiisin ng ilang taon pag nagalit ako.
She's softer.
As in, yun yung happy ako na, buti si Katie ganyan, kaya yung galit siya, kaya mawala. Ako kasi...